If I could just get someone to help me cook. So where are we and what are we going to do today?
We are at Mac Gregor Elementary, and we're going to teach some 3rd and 4th graders how to make healthy muffins.
Why is that important?
Because if you teach children at a young age how to cook and how to eat healthfully, as they get older, they carry those good practices on and they improve and do better in life. And in this muffin recipe, it has yogurt, it has apple juice, it has sweet potato, healthy ingredients that they might normally not associate with something tasty like a muffin.
Where's the cinnamon?
Food attitudes and habits are set for life by age 11. Before 11, you're contributing to the formation of those things. After 11, you're trying to change it.
So today, we have a class of around 9-year-olds,
8,
right?
9-year-olds.
We got them before that 11.
We got them before 11. How do you convince kids to do something? It's not by preaching or rules or you got to do this. You got to make it tasty. You got to make it fun. And then you get them in the boat, right, without them even thinking about it.
And use the other spoon to scrape it in. It's a great activity. They get excited, they love it, they're really involved, and then we got them to taste the sweet potato muffin. So they realize that sweet potatoes aren't the enemy, they're the friend.
Kids who cook make better eating decisions. Kids who garden make healthier eating decisions. And so we combine that together into a really powerful, integrated seed-to-plate nutrition education, right? And we hit them young and we hit them often. And we have follow through and they're counting tomatoes in math class and they're studying emulsion in science class, so we're tying it all together. And that's the power of it.
You want the floor muffins? They're the healthiest. They've got lots of extra flavor. How many years Recipe for Success?
This is our 14th year.
In those 14 years, any idea of the number of children's lives you've touched?
Over 50,000.
Over 50,000 students.
Over 50,000 students in Houston and beyond.
This is the most effective use of my time and giving I've ever experienced in my life. I've never seen anything where you get immediate results like this. The kids clearly are excited, they're clearly involved, they're clearly engaged, and that's incredibly satisfying.
So who wants to be a chef when they grow up? Me?
That's a lot of candidates.
Bon appetit. And thank you.